Hey everybody, Ron Bruder with the Bruder Real Estate Team. Today I'm going to give you a tour of our newest listing at 5585 Red Wolf Lane. Gorgeous home, sits on just under an acre. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1805 square feet. Has a ton of southwest features, beautiful back patio that spans the entire house. Completely tiled. You have a metal roof, gorgeous Talavera tile in the bathrooms and Talavera sink. Come on, let's take a look around. All right, guys, I want to thank you for taking this tour of 5585 Red Wolf Lane. Again, beautiful home located on the West Mesa. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1805 square feet. Beautiful tile work throughout. There is no carpet in the home. You have Talavera tile in the showers, Talavera sinks. This beautiful patio here, totally tiled. The garage is tiled. Have a metal roof. You have these incredible views. Give me a call, Ron Bruder, 575-312-7330, or visit our website at www.homesforsalein Las Cruces.com. Thanks, have a great day.